Okay, good morning, children. Today we will discuss few more programs on matrix. So, children, suppose this is the matrix, which is the original matrix, which is suppose having these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the original matrix, and now what you need to do, you need to shift rows one by one. So it means that second row will become the first, and the third row will become the second, and after that the first row becomes the last. So write a program to do just do implement this, all of you. I hope that you all have understood this question. So how to do that? Please write the main logic of the program. Only in the given matrix, the third or the second array is not allowed. The second array or the second matrix is not allowed. So please try to write the logic part. So, dear children, there are two methods. So, I will be telling you, teaching you two methods for doing this. So, all of you, please try and please post your code on in chat box. Maulik Mehrotra joining the session. Maulik Mehrotra joining the session outside Jaipuria RD is not allowed. So immediately leave the session and join the session with Jaipuria ID. Okay. No, it will not work. I plus 1. But there are some issues with this. Maybe, let me see. Ij. But every time j will change because j is the inner loop. So that's why this loop will not work. In order to shift rows, you have to make columns constant. And if you want to keep column constant, the loop which is responsible to represent the column must be the outer loop. And here you have made the inner loop to represent the column. That's why it will not work. And when you want to shift rows, you need to traverse the matrix column wise. So you have to just column wise, I'm just telling you that you have to traverse the matrix like this, like this. So you have to move from top to bottom like this. You cannot traverse row wise. This way you cannot traverse. This is not allowed. Yes, anybody who has done, who has written the code, please tell. Yes. Okay. Just checking. No, it will not work. It will not work. Kaustubh Agarwal, it will not work. You need to traverse column wise. I told you earlier. But you people are not, you people have not understood the concept. Yes. The question is WAP to shift the rows. So if you see this original matrix, the second row has become the first row here. The last row has become the second row here. And the first row has become the last row. This is the question. So the question is just to shift rows. Yes, Kaustubh Agarwal. Would you please share your screen then? Okay, no issues. Better share your screen and execute the code. So where is your code? It is in the chat box. Ashutosh Singh. Ashutosh. Ashutosh Singh. Yes, Ashutosh. Beta outside Jaipuri ID is not allowed. So please join again with Jaipuri ID. Beta, your code, I hope that it will work now. But the thing is, you have written a complicated code. Okay, I will provide you the code and then you can modify or you can use that code after that. Vanisha Gupta. Vanisha, beta, join the session with Jaipuri ID only. Sorry, I am removing you from the session. Okay, now children, I'm just going to provide you the code. So there are two methods and one of the method is very simple. So earlier I told you how to extract whole row at a time. So here in this, what I have done, this is the display function. This is the display function, and now followed by the main method in which I have used this random class to fill the matrix. And now here I am just going to swap the rows. Beta Lavanya, mute yourself. Lavanya. Okay, thank you. Okay, now here what to do is, this is a linear array which will receive the whole row, first row. The whole row I have received in this one. And now the loop will start from the second row till it is up to this. And what I'm just going to do is a of I minus 1 will receive a of I. And when this loop terminates, a of row minus 1 will receive B. So children, this is done. This is the easiest method of swapping all the rows. This one. Only 4 lines are needed. Now if you execute this, okay, no issues, but okay, I have told you this one. I am just going to remove this also. So 5 by 5, now you can see that all the rows we have shifted and the first row has become the last one. Okay, now what is the another method? In that method, you will not be using that another array. Yes. Ah. So, आपकी देखिए सेकंड रो फर्स्ट बन गई, थर्ड रो सेकंड बन गई, फोर्थ रो थर्ड बन गई और फर्स्ट रो लास्ट हो गई. स्वैपिंग ऐसे ही तो करनी है. एंड दिस वाज ओनली द क्वेश्चन. इट इज the second row. Array, listen all of you. This is the second row and now it has become the first row. This is the third row and now it has become the second row. And this one is the first row, it has become the last row. What is the problem in that? You don't have to swap, you have to shift. You have to shift by this process. Second row will become the first row. Listen the question carefully. Third row will become the second row. Fourth row will become the third row. And the first row will become the last row, like this. And now after that, this is what, using this array B, but now I am going to remove this. So this time I am going to swap without using the third array. So here in that, you just start a loop that will go for the column first. And since we are going to just traverse all the elements column wise, so here what you need to do is just take this variable and pick the very first element, and which is a of 0 of I. When the value of I is 0, you have picked the very first element from the first column. When the value of I is 1, then you have picked the the first element of the second column. This is how it is going, like that. And then a loop will start, and this loop will go from 1 till it is up to row and j plus plus. And here what to do is a of j minus 1 of I will receive a of j of I. This is happening. And after that, what you need to do is just you need to write row minus 1 of I will become t. So this is another method. In this, you need not to consider the other one, the other array. Suppose it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now you can see the first row has become the last row. This is the first row. Now it is at the end of this matrix, and this one is the second row, which has become the first row here. This is the second row which has become the first row, and this is the third row which has become the second row. So children, if you have any doubt, then you please ask. I'm just posting this. Okay, wait. Beta, this one. If you see the index numbers, children, always remember, in order to swap rows, you need to traverse the matrix column wise. And for column wise, you need to keep column stationary. So that's why it will be outer loop. And since you are going to traverse column wise, that's why this loop will come with the row as a nested one. And if you just see the index numbers here, which is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. So what I have done, a0 comma I, when the value of I is 0, I will pick this element for the first column, and other elements I will swap, and further this element will come at the end with this process. In a similar way, when I is 1, I will be picking this one, and in a similar fashion all the elements will get shifted towards up, and this element will come at the end. In the final step, I will pick this element, the rest of the elements will get shifted towards up, and this element will come at the end. This is the process which I have done. In the when I is 0, it is 0, 0, which is this one. When I is 1, it is 0, 1, which is this one. In the second loop, it is 1 now. So initially it is 1, 0, because we started shifting the element from this element now towards up. And when j is 2, then this one we are picking column wise. And here if it is 1 comma 0, then it is 0 comma 0. So 0 comma 0 we have already taken in this t variable. So now we can use this location. That's why we are able to shift. And then further we are shifting this, and then this t will come at row minus 1 I. Any other problem? Any other issue, children? So I hope you people have understood this question. And if not, then please tell. Class 11th. So you can use either of the method in the examination. The first one which I have explained, or the second one which I am explaining just now. Okay, now one more question I am giving, so all of you please try. And this time, children, you have to swap the columns. You need to swap the columns. So for that, what will happen? This second column will become the first column, and the third column will become the second column, and after that the first column will become the last column. So all of you please try this. So please try, all of you. Class 11th, any problem? Yasir, are you in a school uniform, Yasir? Yasir Sheikh? Why? Switch on your video. And after the class, I want to talk to your parents. After the class, I want to talk to your parents, please. Nilay Gupta. Nilay Gupta. Are you in a school uniform? Switch on your video. Okay, so those who are using desktop, just wait after the session. You all have to wait. I will teach you how to use mobile phone as a webcam. And from the next time, there will be no excuse. From the next class, I don't want to listen this excuse that sir, I have joined with desktop. Because there is a method with the help of which you can use your mobile phone as a webcam. Thank you. So all of you please attempt this question. And I want only the main code of swapping the columns. Yes, anybody has done? Beta, just now I have, yes, child who has sent me the solution with number ending 203. बेटा आपका कोड सिंपल हो सकता था. The code which I explained before I have given this question of swapping rows. You cannot write the code like this. There is no arithmetic in this case. I'm just telling you. Yes, the child with WhatsApp number ending 516. Your code is correct. So simple, just try to write the simple code and always and remember that your code must be optimized one. Okay, Shushmita, I'm just better checking. This time you have to traverse row wise, absolutely fine. So, uh, beta, you have written that int t is equals to a0 of I. This you cannot write, you have to write a I of 0. Okay, yes. And rest of the code is okay. And at the end you have, yes, okay, yes, it will work. The rest of the code will work. But avoid using conditions in such questions. Actually, I am just trying to teach you guys with optimized code. So just like Sajal Chandra has used if I is equals to 0, what is the purpose of using if you are taking a t variable outside the inner loop? Then yes, Kaustubh, it's okay, it's correct. So Sajal Chandra, please go through the code which Kaustubh has sent, the selected one. So just try to write this. Just avoid if conditions are not necessary, then avoid writing the conditions. Yes, anybody else? So always remember when you have to swap columns, you have to traverse row wise, and when you have to swap rows, you have to traverse column wise. So this is the basic principle. So here, if you want to swap columns, this will be row, and here this will be column. Okay, now what to do is, if you want to swap columns, the indexing will become the first element you have to traverse row wise. So it is 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0 like that. So it is clear that it will be 0 and it will be I. So I 0. So in order to represent these elements, so that's why we need to write this, and it will start from 1. So here it will be A of I of j minus 1. Yes. No, it will work for all type of matrix. देखिए square the questions which are based on a square matrix are only when diagonals are involved. Okay. So here A of I col minus 1 will be T. So this is what we have done. So 3 by 3 matrix, and now you can see that here what happened. It is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, and 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Oh, the mistake which I have done, it is j minus 1. That's why it is not coming. Now you can see that columns we have shifted. And if it is not a square matrix, then also it will work. Suppose it is of 4 by 5. No issues. So children, please try to always think for the generic logic and the logic which is applicable everywhere with every type of uh, suppose you are just traversing a matrix. So what is the basic requirement? The basic requirement is you must know how index numbers are involved. And if you have a better understanding with the index numbers, definitely you will be able to solve the problem. Okay, so all of you, I'm just going to end this session, but nobody will leave. Just wait for few more minutes. I would like to talk to you.